understand why everyone's inside playing board games.
That's what we're here for.
Yes. Okay, so I've seen this trend a lot online and I always wanted to do it with my mom. So this is me saying Gen Z slang term phrases to my mom, and she's going to guess what she thinks they mean. Some of them you might know. Probably a lot
not.
You don't know.
I'm not very hip.
Okay, I'm giving you a first one. It's easy and I say it all the time. Slay.
Doesn't mean I know slay. That's cool, or maybe even way back in the day we might have said something like that's rad.
It's more like you killed it. I mean, I guess you could say you look rad, but
yeah we would say that like way back in the day.
I think you got that one. Yeah. Okay, sneaky link.
I have no idea. Sneaky link. Like a sly bitch, something like that. A sly someone.
Not the first part, right? The sly.
Like a sly thing to do, sly way to do something.
Kind of. A sneaky link is like your secret hookup.
Oh, okay. Like a link, like you're linked together.
You linked up.
You linked up.
Yeah.
Okay, so a sly link could be someone that you're seeing on the down low.
A sneaky link.
A sneaky. Oh, what did I say? Look at me. Okay, a sneaky link is someone that you would be seeing on the down low.
Yes. Yeah. Crash out.
Well, I mean, is that just like you crash out, you pass out, you're like, it's like a fucked up situation? Crash out?
Crash out's like you're freaking out.
So like I'm crashing out.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I'm flipping out. That would be like when we would say like I'm flipping out.
Okay. No one says that now.
No.
You're not gonna know this one. Riz.
I'm just like, the first place I go is jizz. I'm like, well, that's not it.
No.
Riz. How do I even attempt to try to figure that out? I can't even think of any words that are riz.
Riz is like you have game. You have charisma.
Oh my
have,
god,
like,
I never would have gotten that.
Yeah.
I never would have gotten that. Riz from charisma.
Yeah.
That's reaching.
Chopped.
Chopped. You're done. You're chopped.
Like the cooking
You're
show.
out. I have no idea.
Chopped is like you're ugly.
Oh. Dang.
Related to appearance, I'll give you a hint. Okay, mogged.
The fuck? Mocked.
Or mog, or mogs.
Like a frumpy person?
No, opposite. Mogs is like you look better than everyone else in the photo. You mogged them. Okay.
So far I've gotten none.
No. Cooked.
Oh, like I don't know.
Not like you're in the kitchen.
No, but not like you're sunburned?
No.
Okay. And not like you're hot?
No.
Not like you're spent, you're done. I'm spent, I'm cooked, I'm done.
I'm cooked. That is it. That people say I'm cooked.
But
I'm
not like
done.
I'm spent, I'm done.
I'm done. I'm fucked. I'm cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
yeah,
done.
Yeah,
you had that one.
Okay,
Yeah.
I got one.
Okay, bonus. Cooking. Different than cooked.
Like you're working it or cooking?
Let him do his thing.
Oh.
You know, let him.
No,
let
that's
him
not
cook,
what I was thinking.
And he might, and you know, there's a good chance he's gonna do his thing. Like.
Oh,
You know.
okay. No, it's not what I was thinking. I was thinking more like you were the one who was cooking. You said cooking, not cook. You said cooking.
It's cooking or cook.
Oh. Okay. Is that it?
No. There's
No.
one more.
One more.
No, way more.
Oh, there's way more.
8. ATE. 8.
8. Oh, is it like he gullible?
No.
No.
It's like you killed that. Like you ate that up. Like if you have like.
What's the difference between you ate that up and that
and like
slay?
It's similar, very similar. Cheugy.
Cheugy?
Cheugy.
Chew, like CHEW?
CHEUGY.
That's a made-up word. Is that even a derivative from a real word? You guys, what is cheugy? Cute, like chubby cheeks kind of way?
No, it's like outdated. Like it's giving millennial.
That's me. I'm cheugy.
like unfashionable.
Oh,
not
yeah.
or like just like
that's me.
not trendy.
That's me. I'm Cheugy. I'm Cheugy and I own it. Okay?
Okay. Cap.
Cap.
C-A-P.
C-A-P. Cap.
That's
To
cap.
That's what you just said. Cap.
Yeah, that's cap. That's the sentence I'm giving you.
That's the sentence. That's cap.
Yeah.
You've said that with all the words. That's slay. That's cap. That's Cheugy.
Why are you so cap? Why are you capping me?
Why are you so full of shit?
Yes. Why you lie?
There we go.
Yes.
I got
See,
it.
if I say too much, you're gonna
Yeah,
get it.
she can't give me too much context.
Clout.
Clout.
She's a clout chaser.
Like a money chaser?
No.
A adrenaline junkie?
No. It's like a fame, like social media fame
Oh.
itself. And then
Oh.
if she's a clout chaser.
Oh, she wants that.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you already have it, what, you have clout?
Yeah. Gave me the ick.
Like,
I got the ick.
yeah. Okay. My mind goes to two places. First, it's like a sexual disease.
No.
STD.
No,
I got
STD.
the ick. Like the heebie-jeebies?
Mm.
No. Makes me sick to my
I
stomach.
mean, it is a bad feeling. Usually it's used in the context of your boyfriend, or it could be girlfriend, but usually it's boyfriend, is doing something small that like makes you like, "Ugh, I don't know if I like him anymore." But it's like an inconsequential thing that you did. Glow up.
Glow up?
Yeah.
Like delusions of grandeur?
No.
Making yourself seem better than you are?
Like, look way better now. She glowed up. Sending me.
Sending me?
Sending me. That sent me.
Like that took me from one way I was feeling to a different way of feeling. No.
Sending me is like when it's usually used as a response when you see something really funny or someone says something really funny. You're like, oh my god, that sent me. Like, that's sending me. It sent me when someone did something really
But it's
funny.
usually funny.
It's always funny.
It's always
yeah,
funny.
You don't use it in any other
Okay.
context.
Okay.
Slay the house down, Boots Houston.
Like that whole thing.
Slay the house.
That has to be way longer
Well,
than
it's more
whatever
like-
it means.
I mean, the full phrase is slay the house down, Boots Houston, I'm deceased.
So this is like you killed it, burning down the house.
Yes. I'm in space
I'm
now.
I'm dead. Like I'm dead. Like
Yeah.
I can't even.
Yes.
I can't
Yeah.
even. That's how I would interpret it.
It's-
Like I can't even.
It's like slay times 1,000.
Yeah,
Like you
okay.
slayed so hard that I had to say this whole
I've
sentence
been
now.
sent to space and back, and I'm dead.
Yeah.
I got it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. I
That's
think
like
you got that one.
3. I think I got 3.
Face card never decline.
Oh, I could tell by just the way she said it.
A sentence
That's
would be
like
Sosha's
thumbs-
face card never declines.
That's thumbs up, hot babe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like your face card
Yeah.
gets you whatever you want.
Yeah. Just the way she said it, I knew she
Thought
related
that
to
about
it. Yeah.
myself.
I was like, oh god, something to do with her the way she looks.
Yes. I was like, that's me. Okay, say less.
Shut up.
No.
No?
No.
I don't know.
It's like, I agree. Like, don't even explain it anymore. Say less. Like,
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Exactly.
yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Okay.
I mean, you'll probably know this. Snatched. It's like, you look good, your waist is snatched.
So that just means like you're hot.
But people also use it specifically for like your waist is snatched.
Oh, okay.
Understood the assignment.
It's clearly not me in this video clip. Someone understanding your expectation and what they need to do as an action to meet your expectation.
Yeah. I think that works, yeah.
Okay, that might be number 4. 5.
Gyat.
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 Gyat. G-Y-A-T.
T. She got that gyat.
Bitch. That bitch.
No, it's a positive.
Oh. Goddess. No, I don't know. I don't know what gyat is.
Gyat is like a nice ass.
Oh. Yeah. I don't know how you're supposed to know that. How does even someone come up with that? Like, someone's looking at someone's ass and goes, gyat. And then they're like, that's it. That's the new word to say nice ass.
It's a term from African American vernacular English,
Oh.
usually used in exclamations such
Okay.
as "gyat damn," side eye.
Silent judgment.
Yes, that is definitely
That's
exactly
gonna
what
be
that means.
Okay. All right. That's like number 6 or something.
Bussin',
Bussin'?
Ussin.
Having to do a lot of things,
No, no,
moving
no,
from
no.
one thing to the next. That's what makes me think of bussin'.
No,
What's bussin'?
extremely good. Like usually it's in refer to food.
This food is bussin'?
Yes. Oh, type shit.
Type shit? I would think it would be used as an expression like your writing is good writing. That's type shit.
Because you're typing?
Yeah, type shit.
Here's an example from Urban Dictionary. Where are you from? Venezuela. Oh, type shit. Like you can just say it, like at the end of the sentence.
It's
Filler
like
word.
filler words. Okay.
Oh, skibbity.
Oh, skibbity, of course. I mean, how can we forget that?
Skibbity, Skibidi. Skibbity toilet.
Skibbity toilet?
Skibbity, this.
Like,
I don't know if
that's
this
in a
helps you,
sentence? That's how you
but
would say it?
This is where it derives from. This is skibbity toilet.
That is gross. This is the first time I've seen this picture, and it's fucking weird. What is that?
Skibbity toilet.
Is it like nonsensical?
Yeah, it's absolutely nonsensical.
Skibbity doesn't mean nonsensical.
No,
It's just nonsensical.
It is nonsensical.
So is it just another filler word?
It is a filler word.
Oh,
yeah.
okay. Okay.
And that's more Gen Alpha. That's not really Gen Z.
Okay.
Ohio.
Ohio. Like nothing, like what, like...
Because like the state has nothing in it.
No, I'm not saying that about Ohio. Meaning that like Ohio isn't a state that is like known for something, right? Or at least not to me. I'm so sorry, Ohio, if you have... I'm so sorry if I'm offending Ohio in any
I mean,
way.
this is the actual meaning is worth. It just means like cringeworthy, lame.
Oh,
like,
okay.
Like,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
And that was all of them.
And that's all of
That's
them.
all the ones I can think of.
Okay.
Thanks. I've been wanting to do that with you, so that was fun.
We did it. All right, you guys. I hope that was, I don't know, entertaining for you. It felt like it lasted forever for me. See ya.